Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about QuickBooks accounting, close the books, and what's the purpose of year-end closing. So that's the one I'm going to go over. Uh, and uh, and if you have any questions regarding this video or any other video, just leave a comment and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and go from there. So basically, in QuickBooks accounting setup, they have they close the books. So what happens after this? I'm going to go over this, and I'm going to log into my QuickBooks Online. And so, what are we talking about here? Okay, so that's the screen. So basically, from your dashboard, you just go to the gear icon, and you go to the advanced, and this is under accounting. You have this. So what's the purpose of this? So what happens is, you have your transactions, and uh, once you file your tax returns, uh, basically at the year end, you just need to make sure once you file your tax return, don't make changes to the previous year, previous fiscal year, because doing that will mess up your tax return. And if IRS come and audit, then whatever is on your QuickBooks is different than how you report it on your tax return. It could apply to your local reporting or even your state audit. So that's why you don't want to go back and delete previous year transaction or make changes to previous year transaction. So in here, normally you probably don't come here, but uh, you need to, just to make sure, you need to come here and set the closing date. For example, normally this is all a default type. So the January, if it starts if January through December, then it starts January, and same as fiscal year. Some place they may have a different fiscal year. It could be January or same, different. And the accounting method is based on your tax return. If you look at your tax return, your CPA will tell you you're on accrual or cash. You know, normally it could be on cash, so it will tell you on the form itself. And then close the books. Basically, just select the date. For example, today is April 4th, and by this time you should close all the way through 2023. That way, for the previous year, you don't make any changes. If you make changes, it will warn you. Try to make it delete transaction or try to make uh, any edit transaction. It will give you some warning. Okay, so the warning wise, it'll say allow changes after reviewing the transaction. It basically, it'll say, hey, you already closed this book. Uh, and it's warning you, do you want to make this change? And you can still make your changes, but it's a valid one. But this is like a deadline type, okay, don't, why are you trying to do this? So the first one is the allow changes after reviewing the if you try to edit or delete, it will give you a warning. And the second one is if you want to make any changes, then you have to enter your password. So don't uh, do this until you remember your password. Sometimes you could be administrator or main admin. So make sure you know the password or it's in secure place. Otherwise, if you forget, then you have to go through some other process and just save it basically. So then you're fine. I'm not gonna save this because uh, I'm still making changes to this one. So that's the purpose of this video, demo video, and hope it's helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again. Bye.